Good morning, student, and welcome back to our English grammar classes. We have already studied about the pronoun in our previous class, and today we will be continuing with the same thing with the different kinds of pronoun. Like in our earlier video, we have studied about the personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronouns, empathetic pronouns, and demonstrative pronoun. But today we will be studying the rest of the 5 pronouns like distributive, indefinite, interrogative, relative, and reciprocal. So let's begin with the distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns. They are used to refer to people or things taken one at a time. They take singular verb. Like each, either, and neither are distributive pronouns. For example, either Ram or Rahul is at the door. You have an option there. So it is a distributive pronoun. Next one. The next one is indefinite pronouns. They are used to refer to people or things in a general way without exactly saying who or what they are. They take singular verb. For example, someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, anything, someone, nothing, etc. are indefinite pronouns. For example, everybody came for the meeting. So here the everybody is an indefinite means there is no end to the limit. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Interrogative pronouns. As you are familiar with this word interrogative, the question words. They are used to ask questions like what, which, who, whose, whom are the following interrogative pronouns. For example, who are you? What would you like to have? These are our interrogative pronouns. Let's move forward. Relative pronouns. They refer to a noun or a pronoun mentioned previously, like which, who, whose, that are some of the relative pronouns. For example, the book that I wanted to buy was not available at the bookstore. So here, the book that I wanted was not available at the bookstore. So here, that refers to the relative pronoun. We are relating something with the some object or the thing. Let's move forward. Reciprocal pronoun. They indicate that two or more people are doing the same thing. Each other and one another are reciprocal pronouns. For example, we greet each other on Diwali. So here each other is our reciprocal pronoun. So thank you children for today's video. We have this much only. We will meet in our Zoom classes and we will discuss the pronouns further in detail there. For that time, have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Thank you.